In this video, I'll guide you through how to start Substack step by step so you can get your newsletter journey up and running in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to substack.com. You can type the address directly into the URL bar at the top of your screen. When the homepage loads, you'll see options to explore different publications as well as buttons to sign in or create something new. Take a second to glance around so you're familiar with the layout, but we'll focus on creating your own space. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the option labeled Create. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for setting up your presence on Substack. Clicking Create tells Substack that you're interested in making an account to write or publish, not just to read. Next, you'll see a prompt to create an account. Click the button that says Create Account. This will begin the sign-up process and open a simple form where you can provide the basic information Substack needs. Don't worry, you can always customize your profile and publication details later. Right now, we're just getting you in the door. Once you've started creating your account, Substack will ask you to select 3 topics that interest you. These might be things like technology, culture, business, personal growth, or many others. Take a moment to choose 3 that you actually care about or plan to write about yourself. When you've picked your 3 topics, click Continue. This helps Substack recommend content that's more relevant to you and also gives you a feel for the kinds of communities that already exist on the platform. After selecting your topics, you'll be prompted to subscribe to a few Substacks. These are existing newsletters from other writers. Think of this step as curating your reading list. Browse through the suggested options and choose a few that genuinely look interesting or inspiring. Subscribing now can give you examples of how other people structure their posts and interact with their audience, which is really useful when you're just starting out. Once you've chosen some publications to follow, click Subscribe and Continue or the equivalent button that appears. This confirms your choices and moves you along in the process. If you're not sure which ones to pick, it's fine to choose a couple at random. For now, you can always unsubscribe later or add more as you go. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. Type in an email that you check regularly, since this is where you'll receive updates, login links, and notifications from Substack. It's important to use an address you have access to because you may need to verify it or use it to sign back in later. Below the email field, you'll see a checkbox that mentions agreeing to Substack's terms of use and acknowledging its information and privacy policies. Take a brief moment to read, or at least skim this text so you understand what you're agreeing to. When you're ready, check the box to confirm that you accept these terms. Finally, click the button that says Sign Up and Subscribe. This completes your account creation and confirms your subscriptions to the publications you selected earlier. After this, you'll be taken into your new Substack account where you can explore your inbox, customize your profile, and eventually start creating your own newsletter. And that's all it takes to start Substack.